everybody, my name is Seshita and today I will be telling you about conjunctions. So, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the set of words that are used to join two sentences. Two sentences can be independent or they can be dependent on each other. They can be independent, for example, Meera likes to eat strawberries and Sheetal likes to eat bananas. So, these two sentences, they both are independent, we can use them separately. But when we are joining them, they can be forming another new sentence, such as Meera likes to eat strawberries while Sheetal likes to eat bananas. So now comes the dependent sentences. For example, I didn't go to school today because I was unwell. So I did not go to school today, that is being dependent on being I am unwell. So when the sentence is dependent on another one and when you cannot use it separately as a new sentence, so those two, that makes a dependent sentences, and that is why we are using conjunctions to join both of them to make a meaningful sentence. Now comes the types of conjunctions. There are three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. So first let's talk about coordinating conjunctions. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions and the best way to learn them is from the acronym FANBOYS. F stands for, A stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y stands for yet, and S stands for so. Let's take an example of nor. For example, Rohan has not submitted his English homework, nor has he submitted his maths one. So we are joining two sentences. Rohan has not submitted his maths homework and Rohan has not submitted his English homework together by the conjunction nor. Now comes the category, the new type of conjunction, which is subordinating conjunction. Rest all the conjunctions that come under the category of the subordinating conjunction. For example, though, although, therefore, then because, as. These all are the examples of subordinating conjunctions. Let's take the example of if. An example of if conjunction can be I will forgive you if you return me my money. So you're joining two sentences, I will forgive you and if you return my money, by the conjunction if. Now the last type of conjunction is correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunctions are those conjunctions that have two conjunctions, like co-relative. As you know, relatives, they come and they are family. So family means a lot of people. So that is why correlative conjunctions have two conjunctions. For example, neither nor. These two words are considered as one conjunction. Neither Rohan nor his brother Sohan have come to the match today. Then for example, I would like to have a pizza. I would like to have either a pizza or a burger right now. So either or, neither nor, not only but also, then no sooner than. These all are examples of correlative conjunctions. So that was all about conjunctions, which are very important in our day-to-day life, as they show the similarities between two people, two objects, or they can show the differences, they can give a reason that why is this happening, and that is why conjunctions, we use them in every small to small things that are happening in our life. So if you want to learn more grammar topics and if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel Wunderbar Sisters. Don't forget to click the bell icon and please like all my videos. Thank you. Bye.